as they come up with these thoughts and ideas, we craft the areas in our room so they can explore. By looking at their interests and what they want to explore, we can incorporate math and writing and sentence building and languages. We found that children really thrive and learn better when they are interested in something. If they become interested in an area, they're more likely to retain the knowledge and want to learn more about it and expand their brains. It really, really helps them because it's hands-on and it's physical. So they're using their brains, they're using their eyes, they're using their ears, they're exploring with their hands. So it's all very tactile, and they're also able to know that their voice is heard and that they get excited about learning. And they don't realize they're learning. They realize they're playing, they're having fun, but all the while their brain is just absorbing everything. And we all do it probably a little bit differently in all of our rooms, but I really believe that it's helping the girls think outside the box. And it's going to help them become better students in lower school, middle school, high school, and in the world beyond. I think I love to see the wonder in their faces. And I love to see when they have that aha moment, like, what if we do this? Well, what could we do next? We could do, oh, I have an idea. And being able to hear their ideas and hear their excitement and their joy of wanting to learn and learning is just, it's fulfilling. And it makes me want to come every day and be with them and see what I'm gonna learn next, because every day they show me something new that I might not have thought of before.